In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can return a Google Home Mini back to its factory defaults. Typically, you would complete a factory reset if you intend to sell, give away, or decommission your Google Home Mini. However, in order to easily deauthorize and factory reset your Home Mini, the Home Mini should be connected to the internet. This in turn will allow the Home Mini to automatically deauthorize itself from your Google account. To deauthorize and factory reset a Home Mini, we first need to locate the reset switch, which is on the underside of the device. Now using our finger, we need to press and hold down the reset switch.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
When we hear this chime, we can release our finger from the reset switch. The Home Mini will now begin the factory reset process. As part of the reset process, this Home Mini will automatically deauthorize itself from our Google account. The factory reset process will take roughly 2 minutes to complete. While the Home Mini is being factory reset, you should not remove the power from the device. The Home Mini will have been factory reset when it plays the following message.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
If we now take a look at the Google Home app, we should find that the Home Mini has automatically been removed from our account. However, if you find that this is not the case, then simply return to the home page of the app and refresh. After refreshing, you should find that the app reports that it has found a device that needs setting up. If we return to Devices, you can see that the Home Mini is no longer associated with our Google account. We can now remove the power from our Home Mini and either sell, give away, or decommission the device.